So it's season over here in the States, and for those of us that live on the Gulf Coast, that means we need to get our supplies ready for it, and those would be an emergency water supply, canned foods of some variety, your generator, make sure it's running from last year, window units if you want to be comfortable. Our central air finally kicked out, so we got a few going now. Flashlights and candles. And if you're a little paranoid about looters like I am, but then again, I'm a bit paranoid about everything. Ammo ready for whatever firearm you might be wanting to use. And your firearm of choice maintained and ready to go. And y'all stay safe out there.